Apple just dropped a new iPhone, and it's different. The iPhone 16 packs some great upgrades, but it also comes with many surprising compromises. Is it worth $599? Let's break it down. Let's start with MagSafe, a feature that's been on every other iPhone for years. Guess what? Gone. And it's not just MagSafe. There's no Ultra Wideband chip either. That means no precision finding for AirTags. And then there's the display 60Hz. In 2025, that alone makes this phone feel outdated. Yes, it has the new A18 chip, but here's the catch: it only has 4 GPU cores. That's a downgrade from the A16, which had 5. Meaning? 20% less performance than the iPhone 16. And let's talk about the design. That big notch is still here. 800 nits of brightness. That's louder than competitors. And on the back, just one camera. No ultra wide, no telephoto, just one camera. If this phone launched at $499, we'd be having an entirely different conversation. At that price, it might have actually been a solid deal. But at $599, it's not. But who is this phone actually for? If you're someone who wants Apple's latest software, including iOS 18 and Apple Intelligence, but don't have the budget for a high-end iPhone, the 16e might still be an option. It's lightweight, runs smoothly, and has Face ID, making it a decent choice for casual users who just want a reliable Apple device without spending $800 plus. So, what do you think? Is Apple out of touch, or is this phone actually worth it? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more no-nonsense tech reviews. See you in the next one.